Hello everyone, it is Pat with Empowering by Design. Happy Saturday. I hope you are having the beginning of a nice weekend. It is Saturday and our daily oracle card reading and message. This is our fairy day, our day to connect with the fairies, the elementals, which I spoke about in yesterday's reading when we pulled Dana from the goddesses because she's very connected to them. And today I'm going to at least pull from the Healing with the Fairies card deck, but maybe I will actually pull from both because it's just fun to play with the fairies. So let's see what their message is for all of us YouTube viewers out there today, or for anyone who might see this message. And there was a card that jumped out, Inner Power. And look at this lovely fairy sitting on the moon. And I think there's a couple of messages to this. This is about allowing your inner power to surface. And angels and fairies love to help us with the realization that we are powerful and that it's safe for us to be powerful. And it's also a reminder that power doesn't necessarily have to be the aggressive sort of power that we oftentimes tend to associate with being powerful, but that there's a lot of power just in authenticity and being integrous, or a very popular catchphrase nowadays, hi Smokey, is being transparent, being very honest and upfront. And allowing your inner power to surface is simply about allowing those things to come forward for you. Maybe taking the time to notice where you have maybe blocks that way and kind of working through them. But it's about allowing your inner power to surface, and the fairies can help you do that. And of course, one of the ways they help us do that is by getting outside and connecting with nature. And it's just one of the best places to connect with them and have them help you. The other part of this card that speaks to me is the fact that the fairy is sitting on this crescent moon. And I think it's a message about also using the power of the moon and the moon cycles. And fairies will always help us to connect with the energies of nature and the cycles of nature as a way of both helping us to understand and to enhance our power. So I believe it's a new moon that's coming in right now. And a new moon is a wonderful time for manifesting, starting new things. And a lot of the cards that have come up lately, not just on my channel, but on the channels of the other readers here on YouTube, have spoken to that. There's been cards about endings and beginnings and blossoming. And yesterday there was quite a few teacher cards that came up for, start something new in the sense of maybe write a book, start to speak up about stuff, things like that. So there's some newness coming in, and the new moon is a wonderful time to embrace new things, new projects, embrace just new changes in your life, allowing the new to come in, and that it's safe and it's powerful for you to do that. So that is our card from the Healing with the Fairies today. And let's see, we'll do a quick, just 'cause I love this deck so much, which I think I've mentioned before. I love its color. I love the scepter that's on the front of it. It's very much like my new wand, which a lot of you saw and commented on. So anyways, let's see what the magical fairies have to say for us today, if they have a message. All of our YouTube, there's a card. I'll pick that one because that was kind of coming out there. Oh, it says pregnancy, which is a very similar theme in some ways to the card that we just got. Yes, it does speak to, the conception or the impending or imminent birth of a child. Or if there are some of you out there that are wanting to either have a child or adopt a child, it's a message that now is a fertile time to do that. And but for those of us who are not in that time frame of our life, it speaks again to the beginning of a new project or a new endeavor, or that in some way you are ready for or about to embark on a big change in your life, because that is what pregnancy is. For women, and well, not just women. I don't want to say it's exclusively that. For the guys that are with them too, it brings about a big change in your life when you take on the role of being a parent. But even if you're already in that role and or even if you're done with it, and if you're in that part of your life where your kids have grown and moved on, and this card speaks to the beginning of a new project, or to a new, or that you're ready for, or that you're about to embark on a new and a big life change. So, and maybe it's that you're stepping up to a whole new level. I know a lot of the people on here on the YouTube channel have made some big changes recently. I know some people have just packed up their car and moved, or they're taking some new classes, so they are bringing new things in, and they are going to bring out very positive and uplifting changes for all of us. So that's what this card speaks to today, and it's a very similar theme to the Power card with the new moon. So I hope you have a lovely Saturday, everyone. I hope you get out to play. I hope you get outdoors, get to spend some time either, for yourself or outside in nature if you're having a nice day where you are. Anyways, but happy Saturday, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a nice weekend.